We came to Cardiff actually 50 years next year. 1970 we opened up. There was, I think, 5 people at that stage. We've now got over 400 people in Cardiff. We are the 3rd largest ARUP office in the UK, which is quite unusual. But it's a capital city. There's loads of opportunity locally for work, but also loads of connectivity to enable us to do work all over the world. So we've designed projects like the Abu Dhabi International Airport from Cardiff, which was at that stage the biggest project that ARUP had. Bearing in mind ARUP are a £1.5 billion business with 17,000 employees all across the world. It's quite unusual for an office in Cardiff to be delivering that sort of project. We find that it's quite easy to recruit staff in Cardiff. It's a relatively low cost base, rents are affordable, housing's affordable, so it attracts the good quality staff, and we love it in Cardiff. Wouldn't be anywhere else. I can see Cardiff continuing to grow. We've seen that growth in the last 25 years. I've been back in Cardiff for 21 years, and in that time it's totally changed. The Bay has really come into its own. The retail offering in the centre is fantastic, and I can see nothing else but growth, to be honest. I think it's got a small city feel. You feel connected, it's friendly, everyone wants to help. You get a lot of support. Local authority, the council, help us a lot. You're close to central government and Welsh government, so we find that brilliant. And I think it's got a bit of a buzz, entrepreneurial, I'd say. You know, we've always been seen, the Cardiff office of ARUP, as being one of the most entrepreneurial in the company, and we enjoy that. I love the fact that I lived in London for 15 years, but I think in Cardiff you can get the same sort of activities. You know, there's loads of events, all of the stuff that has happened in the city over the years, but also there's a great retail offer, fantastic night out. But you can travel just 20 miles and you're in the middle of the Brecon Beacons, or you're in the Mumbles on the coast. It's just fantastic.